Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how the Braun thermometer works. So it comes in this handy little case here. You just lift it up from there, pull it out. You can store your lenses in here so you keep it all nice and secure. Now when you come to use it, you turn it on and you need to put a lens cover on. So I've already got a lens cover here. There's a little red button here. That's how this knows that a lens cover is on. It will click into place. You will normally just push it into the box there to get the lens cover on. Now if we zoom in, we have 3 different settings for the age range. So if you hit this little baby button here, you will see we have 36 months plus, 0 to 3 months, 3 to 36 months. So if it's going to be an adult, we're going to be leaving it on 36 plus. Now in order to take the temperature, we need to put this into the ear and we need to press this button here. It's very quick. I'm going to try to mimic it by just doing it on my hands here. So press the button now. You can see this is flashing here. And green means okay. Yellow will mean you've got a fever and red will mean you've got a high fever. But it will depend on the age range. So it will adapt depending on what age range you are testing. Now, when you're finished with that, you're going to press this button. It's going to eject the lens here, so you can put a new lens in to use for someone else. It also has a memory function here. It will store up to the last 9 settings. You can see I'm going through it here. And to turn it off, we need to hold down the power button for around 3 seconds. And you see it will turn it off. If you want to change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit, you need to, when it's off, hold down the power button for around 4 to 5 seconds. It will start cycling through, and then you just need to let go when you're on your desired scale. So right now that's Celsius, Fahrenheit, then it will go back to Celsius. So if you want it on Fahrenheit, I'm going to let go now, and you can see it will now be in Fahrenheit. And when you come to change the batteries, it just takes 2 AA batteries, and they're just located under here, like so. So it's a nice, easy machine to use, and it's nice that you have the different colours to give you a warning if you have a fever or a high fever. Thanks for watching.